move towards our today's lesson. This lesson from chapter number 7 of class 9, that is electrochemistry. Our today's topic is corrosion. What is corrosion? It is slow and continuous eating away of metal by the surrounding medium. In chemistry language, it is a redox chemical reaction that takes place by the action of air and moisture with the metals. Example. The most common example of corrosion is rusting of iron. What is rusting of iron? Corrosion is a general term, but corrosion of iron is called rusting. Which condition is necessary for rusting? The important condition for rusting is moist air. What is chemistry of the rusting? Stains and dents on the surface of the iron provide the sites for the process to occur. This region is called anodic region, and following oxidation reaction take place. You can see in the reaction solid iron convert into ferrous iron by losing 4 electrons. This loss of electrons damage the object. The free electrons move through iron sheet until they reach to a region of relatively high oxidation concentration near the surface surrounding by water layer. This region acts as cathode and electrons reduce the oxygen molecule in the presence of hydrogen ions. Here is reaction. These hydrogen ions in the reactions are provided by the carbonic acid, which is formed because of the presence of carbon dioxide in water. That's why acidic medium accelerates the process of rusting. Overall redox reactions are following. The ferrous ion formed spreads throughout the surrounding water and react with oxygen to form the salt Fe2O3 and N water molecule, which is called rust. It is also a redox reaction. Here is redox reaction. Why is rusting continuous process? The rust layer of iron is porous and does not prevent further corrosion. Thus, rusting continues until the whole piece of iron is eating away. Now, recap of our lesson. What is corrosion? It is a redox chemical reaction that takes place by the action of air and moisture with the metals. What is rusting of iron? Corrosion of iron is called rusting. What is chemistry of the rusting? This is due to redox reaction. Oxidation always occurs at anodic region, while reduction occurs at cathodic region. Why is rusting continuous process? The rust layer of iron is porous and does not prevent further corrosion. Thus, rusting continues until the whole piece of iron is eating away. Dear students, hopefully you understand very well, and now you have to learn from your textbook. See you again in our next video.